Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the second question in exercise 9.1. A random variable x has the following probability distribution. The table is given to us. If event E is x is a prime number and f is x less than 4, find the probability of E union f. So probability of E union f means, first let's understand what is E union f. All the events of E plus all the events of f distinctly. So first let's take up f because this looks to be simple. So according to f, x value should be less than 4. So this means 1 is inclusive, 2 is inclusive, 3 is inclusive. Less than 4, so 4 is not there. So we have to account for all these probabilities inside E union f. Now let's look at the definition of E. It is x is a prime number. So 2 is already a prime number, 3 is already a prime number in this list. So what is left over is going to be 5 and 7. So if you include or add all these probabilities, then we are going to get the value for E union f. So let's do this. So this is 0.15 plus 0.23 plus 0.12 plus 0.2 plus 0.07. So if you add all these values, you are going to get 0.77. So the probability of E union f is going to be 0.77. In the next video, we will find the answer for the third question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.